two conductors have same resistance at 0 degree Celsius, but their temperature coefficients are alpha 1 and alpha 2. The respective temperature coefficients of their series and parallel combination are nearby. There are 4 options. Okay, so here the resistances at 0 degree Celsius it is given, and temperature coefficients are also given. Let us solve it. We need to find temperature coefficient, equivalent temperature coefficient in series connection and parallel connection. We need to find that. Okay, so first we are considering a series connection, right? Series connection. So this is a series connection. I am considering the resistance is R0 because the resistance at temperature 0, right? It is also R0. Okay, and I am finding the effective resistance. Effective resistance will be R equivalent equal to R0 plus R0 is equal to 2R0. It is at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, now I am considering a temperature T. So what will be the value of RT? The first resistance, it will be R0 into 1 plus alpha 1 into T, because the temperature coefficient is alpha 1. It's given in the question. In the second case, what will be the resistance? It will be R0 into 1 plus alpha 2 into T, and equivalent resistance will be, R equivalent will be 2 into R0 into 1 plus alpha equivalent into T. Okay, now we are applying these all values in the equation. Okay, effective resistance is just adding these two. So I am going to do one thing. R equivalent equal to, here it will be RT plus RT, right? So I can do one thing. Instead of this R equivalent, I am going to give this 2 into R0 1 plus alpha equivalent into T equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha 1 into T plus R0 into 1 plus alpha 2 into T. This R0 is common, so I am cancelling all the R0s. Okay, then the remaining terms, 2 into 1 plus alpha equivalent into T equal to 1 plus 1 2, right? 2 plus alpha 1 T plus alpha 2 T. Okay, I am multiplying this 2 into the bracket. It will be 2 plus 2 alpha EQ into T equal to 2 plus alpha 1 T plus alpha 2 T. Here these two these are going to cancel each other. Then it will be, the T is also common, so I can cancel the T also. T I can cancel. Then it will be 2 alpha EQ equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Then alpha EQ will be alpha 1 plus alpha 2 all divided by 2. So in series connection, the equivalent temperature coefficient is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2. Okay, now we can discuss the parallel connection. Okay, in parallel connection, we are connecting these two resistors, okay, in parallel, and this is R0 and this is also R0. Okay, and equivalent resistance will be 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R0 plus 1 by R0. From here we can write 1 by R equivalent is equal to 2 by R0. Then R equivalent will be, it will be R0 by 2. Okay, so R equivalent is R0 by 2. Now in the same manner, we are using the same method at temperature T. We are considering a temperature T. Then what will be the value of RT? It will be R0 into 1 plus alpha 1 into T, right? Similarly, the second resistor RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha 2 into T. Okay. Then what about R equivalent? R equivalent is equal to, it will be R0 by 2 into 1 plus alpha equivalent into T. Okay, now we are applying it in the same equation. The equation will be, now the equation is 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by RT plus 1 by RT. Okay, we have the value, this RT is for the first resistor, this RT for the second resistor. So we can do one thing, 1 by Req, instead of this 1 by Req we can do one thing, we can write this 1 by R0 by 2 into 1 plus alpha equivalent into T is equal to 1 by r0 into 1 plus alpha 1 into t plus 1 by r0 1 plus alpha 2 into t. We can cancel all the r0 because all values are going to come in denominator. I am taking the reciprocal here. It will be 2 by 1 plus alpha eq into t equal to, here I am taking the I am cross multiplying this, so it will be 1 plus alpha 2 into t plus 1 plus alpha 1 into t all divided by 1 plus alpha 1 into t into 1 plus alpha 2 into t. Okay, now I can do one thing. I am going to solve this one. Okay, 2 by 1 plus alpha eq into t equals, here it is 2 plus alpha 2t plus alpha 1t all divided by, I am just multiplying these two, 1 plus 1 into 1 into alpha 2t, it will be alpha 2t plus alpha 1 into t into 1, it will be alpha 1t plus alpha 1t into alpha 2t, it will be alpha 1t into alpha 2t. Okay, now the next step is cross multiplication. I am going to cross multiply it, then it will be 2 into 1 plus alpha 2t plus alpha 1t plus this alpha 1t and alpha 2t. Okay, here there is alpha 1t and alpha 2t. Alpha is a small number, so if I am multiplying alpha 1 and alpha 2, that will be very small, so I am avoiding that. Okay, that will be very small number, I am avoiding it. Here it will be 1 plus alpha eq t into 2 plus alpha 2t plus alpha 1t. Okay, if there is alpha into alpha, we can avoid that because that will be very small. Okay, I am giving this 2 into the bracket. It will be 2 plus 2 alpha 2t plus 2 alpha 1t equal to, I am going to multiply these two. I am taking 1 first, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into alpha 2t, alpha 2t, okay, plus 1 into alpha 1t, it is alpha 1t, okay, plus alpha eq into t into 2, 2 alpha eq into t, okay, then alpha eq into t into alpha 2t. There are 2 alpha, there will be small number, it will be very small number, I am avoiding it. Alpha eq into alpha 1t, that is also very small number, I am avoiding it. This 2 and this 2 will cancel, then the remaining term, here you can see that 2 alpha 2t, here it is alpha 2t, I am cancelling, the 2 will cancel. Here it is alpha 1t, 2 alpha 1t, it is alpha 1t, I am cancelling this also. Okay, the remaining terms, it is alpha 2t plus alpha 1t equal to 2 alpha eq into t. T also I am cancelling here, then alpha eq will be, alpha eq is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 all divided by 2. This is our final answer. In series connection also we got the same, here also we got the same. In series connection, alpha eq is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2. In parallel connection, alpha eq is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 divided by 2.